Northeast Olympic Association kan pelong yang kecing lakai Northeast Olympic Game Naduh kalai poitrik Risaw hadu kasantrik unai wien ke Bansalong Nongbah Shillong. Ya kan ni karai laksya maksin jok haringkat ke Northeast Olympic Association Committee bak sorkar jang kejela kasing balang baladam. Hakan ni kasing jang kecing lang kabla pelong Pinewood Hotel lai dan ringkat kinang ilam jok ke Olympic Association jong paro prateli lan nyok sikkim bak Tripura kiblai shimbenta lengba ke video conference.
As we all know, Shillong is a dream destination for everyone. Everyone would love to see Shillong. We are very happy that today we had a joint meeting to organize the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games. The joint meeting was held. The Sports Department of Government of Meghalaya, represented by the Honorable Minister Sports, Mr. Bantedor Lingdo, the Commissioner and other officials. Then from our side, Northeast Olympic Association, myself, Mr. John, and all the members from 6 states to join from the online, as they could not make it physically offline. We discussed about the second edition, which is going to be held from 30th of October to the 6th of November in Meghalaya and Shillong. First edition was held in Manipur in 2018. 18, and the events were there were only 12 events. This time we are going to have 18 events in Meghalaya. The first event is archery, second is athletics, third is badminton, then basketball, boxing, football, judo, karate, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, wushu, cycling, golf, weightlifting, wrestling. These are 18. You see, the management, a good manager, a good leader is, who is a good leader, good management? We have the government of Meghalaya, our team, within the limited resources. How well you manage. Now we don't have time. Very recently we had Meghalaya Games. So they already organized. So they are experts. And from every state we have people who have been with the organizing games and event management. So I think maybe here and there, every time when you organize, there will be some problems. But we have to bring together our strength and we have to collaborate and we have to organize. Today we had a meeting. Now the details will be circulated to you. We had a joint meeting in the Secretariat Meghalaya government to finalize the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games. Detailed discussion with the government of Meghalaya, and we think we feel that we'll be able to hold it in spite of all those problems. But I'll hand over to Mr. John, and he will brief you regarding the infrastructure. Please.
Yeah. Just a quick one. So thank you, sir. So in relates to infrastructure, fortunately Meghalaya is fortunate that we have the side campus. So the mother of all sports, athletics. Without that we wouldn't have been able to do it.
I was worried about that.
So the athletics, we've already had 2 weeks ago an inspection of the venues. The venue development committee has been notified. The chief engineer of the State Sports Council is the chairman of that committee. There are various committees for that. So venue development committee headed by the chief engineer, State Sports Council, they are looking into that, Mr. BCM and we are also members there. We've inspected all the venues. Most of the games will happen in the Sai campus. Right? So a few of the disciplines will happen outside. Most of them will happen inside. So the athletics will happen there. The indoor also will be used. If you recall, there's that huge convocation center.
Yes.
Right. So that will also be used. And additionally, the additional indoor stadium of Northeastern Hill University.
Yes.
We've sought their help also, so they will be providing that. And accommodation committee also has been notified, headed by the Deputy Commissioner, East Kasi. So like that, various committees have been headed, and they are going into the whole thing. And as we were discussing in the morning, we learned through experiences. The venue, there are two thoughts. As of today, the venue is the athletic tracks in the ground in the site. The budget is still being worked out because the finance committee is there. The
But
finance
approximately a ballpark
committee,
figure.
it could be around, I don't know, it could be 10 crores or more.
I don't know.
I don't know. So the finance committee has been constituted, headed by the
And this is
Undersecretary.
coming from government of Meghalaya.
Yeah, government. The Northeast Olympic Association is also has petitioned in the past to donor to government of India. So we have
NEC is not helping it.
No, from NEC, the sports sector has been taken away by the department. So today only I met the secretary NEC. I just came back at 3:30. I had an appointment. I had a detailed.
Bengal is there. no?
You just met the secretary.
I met
Oh,
Mr. Today I met
Just
him. I got an appointment. He is from Manipur.
Manipur.
He's a Manipur.